Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to design an interactive button right inside Figma. And don't worry if you're brand new to this, I'll explain every step so you can follow along confidently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have not just a stylish button, but also one that actually responds interactively when someone clicks on it. Let's jump right in, and I'll show you how the magic happens. So to start, I've already got a basic button shape ready. If you don't have one yet, just quickly draw a rectangle, give it some rounded corners if you like, and add a text label, something like "Click Me," works great for practice. With your button all set up, we want to give it some fun color variations. This isn't just about looks. Having color options helps users instantly see when the button state has changed, like on hover or when clicked. Let's make 2 more copies of this button so we can create a few different color variations. You can do this by simply holding down Alt on your keyboard and dragging the button. You'll see that the cursor turns into a little duplicate pointer. If you accidentally release too soon, don't worry, just select again and try. Make 2 quick copies so you have 3 buttons in total side by side. Now click on each button and one at a time tweak the fill color. Maybe keep the first one blue, then try yellow and green for the others. The exact colors are totally up to you. The idea here is to generate enough variety so you can later set up different button states, like normal, hover, and active. This approach helps keep your interface dynamic, and trust me, users really do notice when buttons give this kind of feedback. Once you've got your 3 buttons colored, select all of them together. You can either drag to select or hold Shift and click each one, and then look up to the top right corner in Figma. You'll see an option called Combine as Variants, or sometimes Create Multiple Component, depending on your version. Click this. What this does is package all 3 buttons into a single multivariant component. Think of it like putting all your button flavors into one neat box, making it much easier to manage states and interactions later. Next, let's add some interactivity. Drag just one of your buttons from your new component group into your main frame. You'll see that Figma now treats it as a component instance, which is perfect for what we need. Now that we've got the button on the frame, let's tweak its variant. Click on that button. Notice that at the top you can choose which variant it is, blue, yellow, or green in our example. For our interactive effect, let's also change its fill color so that, say, when the button is clicked, the fill matches the color of its border. It's a subtle but professional touch that really makes a button feel clickable. Here comes the fun part. Switch to the Prototype tab at the top right. With your button selected, you'll see a little blue node appear. Drag that onto itself, or if you have another variant, onto the variant you want to switch to. Set the trigger to on-click, and choose Change to the variant with the matching fill and stroke. This tells Figma, when someone clicks this button, swap it to the active style. Finally, open your Assets panel, grab your newly interactive button and pull it onto a frame. Hit the Preview Play button and you did it. Now every time you click the button, it reacts and changes color just like a real app would. Take a moment to play around and test the interaction. If it doesn't work perfectly the first time, don't worry, retrace your steps and check those variant links. It's all part of the learning process, and that's all there is to it. You've just built your very own interactive button in Figma, complete with multiple color states and a working click interaction. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Figma tips. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.